Handwriting Write on Effect tutorial in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application and select the project that you want to add the Handwriting Write on Effect on. So in order to create that effect, what you have to do is first of all add the text. So right now I'm going to select the area where I want to add the text or where I want to add that effect. So first of all, select the area, then tap on text at the bottom of the screen, then tap on add text. After that, you just have to enter the text over here. So over here, if I want to add the text as great day, and as I tap on that, I can have different options related to it. So there are styles, effects, animations, bubbles, presets. You can select any of this, but since we want to have an effect of a handwriting, you can select on effects and you can see different options related to it. So you can just go to your animations over here and look for handwriting or kind of like typewriter as well. You can search it as well if you cannot find it. So let's just search for the typewriter or handwriting over here. So here you can see the typewriter option over here. So as you can see, the effect has been applied. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.